In this video, we'll learn how to add schema to a WordPress website. First of all, schema in WordPress means extra hidden info added to your site to help Google understand it better and show rich results like stars, FAQs, or product details. Here are Schema Markup example. Open your website's WordPress dashboard. Here is the dashboard of WordPress. Now, in the left menu bar, click on the Plugins option. After that, click on Add New. Then search for a new plugin called WordPress SEO. Here is the plugin. Now download it and activate it. Once it's activated, you'll see all the options for this plugin on the dashboard. Now go to the Posts option. Here is the Hello World post. Click on the Edit option. At the top, click on the schema icon, which is the third option. Then, click on Schema Generator. You'll see all the available options. Some are pro features, but in our case, we'll use the article schema. Click on it. Now, enter all the details. Add a headline, keyword, and description. Select the blog option. Then click Save Post. And finally, click the Save button. Thanks for watching.